Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Decima. If you're new here, if this is not your first time checking out my videos, then welcome back. Today I'm gonna go ahead and play with the Jeffree Star Cosmetics, pretty much his latest palette, which is this one right here. I kind of played with it a little bit, but I played with it using my base that I usually use, which is the Pale Louise base. I did take a look at his video and he suggested using the creamy NARS concealer. So I'm going to go ahead and create two looks, one look on each eye, using that concealer to see, you know, if the looks come out differently or if the shadows work differently. If you want to see what look I can come up with, then keep on watching. So as I said earlier on in my intro, we are gonna use this, which is the soft matte complete concealer, and not the creamy concealer, just the soft matte. This is just a Real Techniques concealer brush. I actually don't ever use this to prime my lid. I usually use it to just conceal. See, oh, and actually this shade is in medium 2, which is ginger. This is actually my actual concealer shade. I haven't used this concealer in a minute, so I'm thinking maybe I forgot the consistency of it because I just did the brush this and then it's a lot. I'm just gonna use a 173 M173 from Morphe. That's another concealer brush, and I'm just gonna dab this in. And in dabbing that in, I'm gonna take off some of the concealer that I added because this is definitely too much. I'm actually gonna do two different looks. Well, attempt to do two different looks, one on each eye. I'm actually gonna start using this brush from Zoeva. It's the 228. Let's start with this color right here in the crease, which is this color. It is Vivid Mood. And I'm just gonna stamp that in my crease. For some reason, I always start doing my eyeshadow with using this eye, and then when I start with a different eye, it's like it throws me off. I don't know. I feel like it's just in my head. So one thing I can tell for sure with this base, it definitely creases more than my Pale Louise base. So I don't know if that's something I will continue doing. Maybe not. And I'm just applying that using stamping motion, then we will go ahead and blend it out. So I'm gonna leave this part like so, and I'm gonna move to I'm gonna cut my crease. Pray for me, because this is not my favorite thing to do. So I'm still gonna keep using the NARS concealer. And I know these are not like everyday looks, but they're definitely easy looks that you can accomplish using some purples. And I also don't like this primer to cut my lid either. It's not working for me, so we're gonna keep with it. You know, maybe. No, I'm joking. We're gonna keep with it. I'm gonna use this brush from the Makeup Shack. It's a T48. I love this brush to kind of stamp on my shimmer. And I'm gonna go ahead and use this color right here, but it's a shimmer and it's Wet Joe. I'm not a pinky person. I don't usually wear anything pink, but I love this color. I'm actually gonna use this brush from the Makeup Shack. I love their shadow brushes, and this one is T14. And I'm gonna use this color right here, which is Dungeon, which is this color. You know these shadows are good. See, this is just blending so well. I'm gonna go back to Vivid Mood, and because I kind of lose that color right here a little bit. I feel like this video is gonna be forever since I'm doing two different looks. So I'm gonna move to this eye. Just taking off the creases. I think I'm gonna use the Morphe M506 for this one. And we're gonna use Blood Queen, which is this color right here, and I'm gonna put that in my outer corner and my inner corner on my outer V, like so. I'm just gonna stamp it. I'm actually using different colors on different eye, but they're all from the same palette. Just, you know, different options to be able to use the same palette to do different looks. Because, you know, most of the times I know people just, you know, you just buy one palette, and if you buy one palette, you definitely want to be able to get more than just one look from that palette. So just different ways to use the colors. I also really love, I know I put a lot of reallys on there, his concealers, because they're so good. They are my favorite concealer. I feel like this is the first time I did 2 different looks. Okay, and now that I kind of have the general shape that I want, and I know it looks messy, but again, it's fine. We'll make it work. Okay, I'm gonna use a Morphe M518. I use these brushes all the time, so I should remember the names, but sometimes I don't. And I'm gonna use this color right here. This color is called Royal Paint, and I'm gonna use that to buff out the edges. Purples are there for me. Purples, dark blues, dark greens, black. Those are the eyeshadows I really have a lot of issue blending, but it's okay, you know, I make it work. But we can just go in and dab this again. You know, this color pretty much is the star of the party, so we want to make sure she's there. Let's go back and let's do I don't want to use this. Let's continue using it for the video. I'm gonna go back to, and then this is a clean T48. I love these brushes. When I ordered them from Makeup Shack, I ordered like 3 or 4. I'm actually gonna use this color right here, which is Bleeding Heart. I'm gonna go back to my M506 brush and back to Blood Queen a little bit. I feel like I lost some of my Blood Queen over here. I just wish this had a little bit more, you know, oomph, a little glitter or something. I don't know. I'm gonna use this. It's just, I'm gonna go back to that brush that I used to apply this. I'm just gonna just mix it up a bit so it's not so intense. Okay. Now we're gonna go ahead and put some eyeliner on. I'm just using the Pat McGrath black eyeliner. So we're gonna move to the face, and for my face, as always, I moisturize using these 2 babies. It's just my Clinique moisturizer. I mix these 2 together, 1 pump each. And I'm gonna go ahead and use this. It's just the Ren Clear Skincare, and this is SPF 30, so this is just sunscreen. And I'm gonna use my primer from Tatcha. And for my foundation, I'm gonna use this foundation right here. It is the Natural Radiant Finish from NARS, and my shade is in Sailor Cruise. And to apply my foundation, I'm using my Luxie 732 brush and just dab it on here. I love this foundation. This is like my perfect shade. I know it looks like lighter on camera, but it actually is not in person. It's my perfect shade. Let's use that concealer from NARS that I haven't used in like 500 years, but you know, let's go ahead and use it. I actually do like it as a concealer, just not as a primer. And I'm gonna use an E55 from Sigma. It's just kind of a shader brush. Does that ever happen to you guys? Like you have something like a product, like a foundation or concealer that you really like, or you thought you liked back in the day, and then you stop using it for a while and then you use it again and you're like, maybe I don't like this concealer, because now I'm like applying this concealer and it's like dry and like right here, so I'm like, I don't know, maybe I don't like this concealer. Let's blend that out and see what happens. And I'm gonna go ahead and set that with my Jeffree Star cosmetic powder, and this is in Topaz. And I also love this powder too, so good. And to set my face, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Sephora Micro Smooth powder in 30. And for my lashes, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Dubai lashes. So I used this already, so I'm just reusing them. They're from Makeup Shop. I love these lashes. Again, I'm always using the same glue. It's just the clear glue from Kiss lashes. I'm putting my lashes to dry, and then we move to put on some mascara. And for my mascara, I'm gonna go ahead and use this BADgal Bang from Benefits. And I'm gonna use this pencil, and it is loaded from the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil. And I'm gonna actually use this color right here, which is Vile Serpent, which is this color right here, and then I'm gonna use this to buff my under eye. And I'm using Lamara or something like this, Cosmetics, and this is just a flathead brush. And I'm gonna use that loaded pencil. I'm gonna use a Morphe M506, and I'm gonna go back to Vivid Mood and just blend this out. Vivid Mood is the shade that I have right here. I forgot the lashes, and I'm gonna have to put some more glue on there. Oh, I hate that. I'm just actually cleaning out that same brush that I used to apply the green over here, and I'm gonna go to this color right here, which is the Blood Queen, and I'm gonna do the same thing over here. And then I'm gonna use this color right here, which is Royal Pin, which is the color I used to buff off the edges. I'm gonna use that to do the same thing in the bottom. And for my waterline, I'm gonna use this eye pencil from Marc Jacobs, and this color is Grape. And back to that M506 brush and Royal Pin, and I'm just gonna continue buffing this up a little bit. So I'm gonna clean my applicator, which is this eyelash applicator from Velour Lashes. I actually just got this palette right here from Makeup Shack. I'm gonna mix these two colors together, Sunkiss and Bronze, which is these two colors right here. I like it. I think that's a pretty good palette, especially for $16.99. If you only use just a couple of shades in there, you're definitely gonna get your money's worth. And I'm gonna go back to my powder that I used to set my face, and I'm using just a sponge, just a flathead sponge from Real Techniques. And to line my lip, I'm gonna go ahead and use this liner from ColourPop. This one is in BFF2. And I'm gonna use this from Marc Jacobs. This is just a lip gloss, and then this is Work It. I'm obsessed with this. Let's dabble in that, I don't know, in Trophy Wife from Fenty Beauty. She's a lot. And for blush, I'm gonna use this blush from ColourPop, and then this is in Growth Flirt. And I'm using my Laura Mercier dual fiber brush. And let's go ahead and dust this powder off. I'm gonna use this brush, and it's from Cosmetics, and this is in C213. Actually, I'm just gonna go ahead and use a little bit of Trophy Wipe in this inner corner right here. I'm actually gonna use this. This is just a glitter shadow from, or loose shadow, sorry, from Anastasia, and I'm gonna put that in my inner corner down here. And to set my face, I'm just gonna go ahead and use this from Wet n Wild. It's just a setting spray. Here's the final look. Tell me what you guys think about the two looks I created using that palette, and if you want to see, or if you want to continue seeing me like record like different looks, then I will see you on my next video. Bye guys, thanks for watching. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're just gonna go ahead, oh my bad, let's start out again. Reverse. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Deceva. Welcome back.